Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a virtual business address in the USA. So it's really easy and simple. So let's actually first start by understanding, what a virtual business actually is, what this virtual business address is. So basically it's a real street address which is provided by a service that handles your mail and packages. So it can be used for business correspondence without actually needing a physical office. So what you want to do now, guys, first is you want to start by researching reliable providers. There's examples like iPostal One, there's Recus, there is a virtual post mail, or there's post scan mail. So these are some of the companies that actually offer virtual address services, which are tailored for business needs. Now, what you need to do is you want to visit the provider's address and explore the plans they offer. You want to choose an address in your preferred location. So many services let you pick from multiple cities or states, which is great for targeting specific regions. Next, guys, of course, you need to set up an account. So you'll need to provide some basic personal and business information. And during the registration process, you may actually also need to complete Form 1583 from the USPS, which actually authorizes the provider to receive a mail on your behalf. So once the account is actually active, right, you can start by using your new virtual address, and many services include, mail scanning, forwarding, or even package handling. So you'll have access to your mail digitally, so you can manage it from anywhere, guys, right? And that's it, guys. Getting a virtual business address in the USA is very simple like that. And I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to the channel. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified anytime we upload here on Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.